Guys, today we're at the Baltimore's National Aquarium, one of the most highly visited tourist attractions regarding aquariums, zoos. Baltimore's National Aquarium is one of the best, housing almost 1,000+ species of fish, reptiles, and other amazing creatures. It houses rainforests, aquariums. So you'll step into a reef tank and you'll think you're in an aquarium. Then you'll step into the rainforest section and you'll think you're in a zoo. That's what makes this so unique. Let's stop talking, let's head in. Welcome to the National Aquarium in Baltimore. This aquarium is very unique from every other aquarium because of one of its coolest systems. Its multi-viewing system. This is the Blacktip Reef, the National Aquarium's biggest exhibit. Houses a lot of unique different fish, stingray, and sharks. You could be on the first floor, the second floor, or the third floor, and the view will be different every time. Here is one of my favorite parts of this journey, the immersive interactions. For example, a horseshoe crab. This one particularly can be, which I'm not sure, be over 400 million years old. And you get to touch them gently in between their eyes. So it was an amazing and interesting experience. Just like touching jellyfish. I've never touched a jellyfish in my life. When I touched it, it felt literally just like jelly. So that's pretty cool. The coolest parts of the aquarium was definitely Shark Lagoon. Because as soon as you walk into the exhibit, you immediately see massive sharks swimming through the water only a few feet away from you. And it honestly feels both exciting and a little intimidating at times. The exhibit is designed to make visitors feel surrounded by marine life. Puffins are small seabirds with bright, colorful beaks and lots of personality. Right now you can see them being sleepy and lazy, but usually they're swimming around in this exhibit. One of my favorite parts of this entire aquarium is the rainforest exhibit. Because if I walk up an escalator, in an aquarium I should be treated to more fish, right? No, I just got a rainforest on top of the aquarium, which was so cool because as soon as I walked inside, the temperature becomes warmer, the air gets humid, and you start to hear the sound of running water. There'll be macaws and other types of birds flying around, and you'll see animals all around you, such as sloths, frogs, and other small critters. But the sloths were the coolest part of the exhibit because you can see them up close, eating fruits and vegetables in a small bowl placed on the side of the exhibit. Now, what makes this the coolest part is there's a lot of massive green plants, waterfalls and rocky pathways, and trees stretching high above your head. And all these plants and animals are very exotic and endangered. So this was a treat and amazing to see. Now we're in the Down Under, the Australian exhibit. This exhibit is very unique. But one of the most unique parts about this exhibit is the Johnson's crocodile. We have already discussed the difference between gators and crocs in the Chennai video, but this is my favorite reptile of all time, so this is really cool to see. To finish off the visit, we headed over to the dolphin enclosure, which was the coolest part of the entire aquarium. Seeing dolphins up close was incredible because of how fast and intelligent they are. The aquarium focuses more on conservation and natural behavior. So instead of large performances, visitors get to watch the dolphins swim and behave more natural throughout the day. After exploring sharks, rainforests, reefs, puffins, and the Australian habitats, finishing with the dolphins, left the visit feeling exciting memorable, and complete.